Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable charging sound when you are charging the battery on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. And then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, you want to go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then go down and tap on system sound or vibration control. Then you want to go down and tap on the charging switch to turn it on or off. Now, if it is turned on whenever you plug in the cable to charge your device, it will make a sound to alert you that your phone is now connected to a charger. And that's it. So finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.